And that's it for my radio show for today. See you on the charts here at philsgang.com. Hi, I'm Phil Grande, philsgang.com. I just told my listeners, I am so disgusted. What am I disgusted with? The corruption. Did you see what happened this week? They sent all the rats out of the White House, like rats running, to come out on the lawn to tell us, take parking space in our head, that there's no recession. No recession? What are you, nuts? For 48 years. During those 48 years, we've had 11 recessions, and they've been accepted as 2 quarters, back-to-back, negative GDP. So why is it these gangsters are turning and saying, oh, no, forget all that. No, everything's wrong. There was no recession over those 48 years. Those 11 recessions are all wrong. Everything's all wrong. And the biggest disappointment is Aunt B yelling. You think she would have said to the White House, screw you. I'm not going to do this. I'm leaving. Boy, was she a big disappointment. Let's move on. The reason they turned around and said that there's no recession because you don't raise rates. You don't raise taxes. You don't raise taxes in a recession. So they couldn't admit they're in a recession because that's exactly what they did. You can't do that. Here, listen. This is statements from Manchin, that traitor, Obama, and then Geithner, when he was Treasury Secretary. Listen to this. They all agree. I'll get it for you here in a second.
I don't think during a time of recession you mess with any of the taxes or increase any taxes.
And it does not make sense to raise taxes in a recession. So getting growth on track led by the private sector is still our most important priority.
The last thing you want to do is to raise taxes in the middle of a recession because that would just take more demand out of the economy and put businesses in a further hole.
Now, that was Obama. But here's the one that gets me. Guess who this first speaker is? This is Manchin.
I don't think during a time of recession you mess with any of the taxes or increase any taxes.
That's exactly what he did. He increased taxes yesterday. This guy is a gangster, a fraud. But let me tell you, not only are they telling us, don't believe that a recession is 2 negative quarters back to back. They're telling me my eyes are lying. Don't believe my own eyes. Here, take a look at this chart. I'll explain. When you take a look at this chart, what it's telling you is we are in a terrible bear rally market. What's a bear rally market? Bear rally market means every time you rally, it will fail. Rally, it will fail. You see right here, we've had 3 rallies and it's failed. Here we are today. Do you remember I said some time ago we're going to go from about 352 to 400 on the S&P. They're going to rally. They're going to do everything possibly can to go into earnings. They want to go into earnings and build some cushion. Exactly what they did. But here's the problem. You see this line here, the black line? That's the 200-day moving average. You see this one here? That's the 50-day moving average. You notice how the 50 is above the 200? And these are the stocks. 70% of the stocks are above this 200-day moving average. That's a perfect bullish market. Look what we have here. The opposite. You got the 200-day sitting over the 50-day. Just the opposite. And you got the stocks below both. And you only have 30% of the S&P 500 stocks above the moving average. You got to have 70. And they're telling people the market's terrific. What are you, nuts? This is insane. These people are so corrupt. I mean, they have no moral sense about the truth. Why don't you just join my gang for 10 days, free, so you can understand how a chart works, where you follow the money, not the crap. This is unbelievable.